you've been wanting to create those super satisfying ASMR videos that are going viral lately, but you don't have access to Google Veo 3, don't worry. I've got a much easier method for you. And the best part? It works from anywhere in the world. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make stunning ASMR-style videos without using Google Veo 3. I'll show you how to write great prompts, generate super high-quality images, and finally, turn those into smooth videos with sound. Perfect for TikTok or YouTube. All right, let's get started. First, head over to ChatGPT and open the GPTs tab. In the GPT store, search for Make ASMR Images and Prompts. Then select that GPT model. This tool is super handy because it not only helps you come up with the image ideas, but it also gives you the ready-to-use prompt. Click on Start Chat. Once you're in, just type something simple like an object like apple along with a color. For example, apple red color or banana yellow color. The GPT will generate a detailed prompt based on what you gave it. Then it'll ask if you want to generate the image too. Just say yes. It'll ask which format you want, TikTok or YouTube, and you can choose depending on where you plan to post. Now here's the thing. While ChatGPT is amazing for generating the prompts, it doesn't create high-quality ASMR images like the ones you've seen trending. That's why we're going to use a different tool for that part, Leonardo.Ai. Go to Leonardo.Ai and sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, head to the Images section, then choose Models and Presets. Select Lucid Realism. This one gives you realistic, detailed images that look amazing. Next, set your aspect ratio. Go to Custom Dimensions and pick 9:16 for TikTok or 16:9 for YouTube. For this example, I'm sticking with TikTok format. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt it gave you and paste it into Leonardo. Hit Generate and boom, you'll get 4 stunning image variations. They look super crisp and detailed, right? You can even switch to YouTube format and do the same. Once you've downloaded your favorite images, head back to ChatGPT. It also provides a link to a tool called Kling AI. This is where the magic happens. Kling turns your static image into a short, dynamic video complete with sound, just like Google Veo 3 would. Click the link to Kling and go to the video section. Upload your image from Leonardo and then type in a short action. Something like cutting an apple with a static camera. To make the prompt even better, click the DeepSeek button. This rewrites your input so Kling understands it more clearly. Once it shows you the improved prompt, just click Use Prompt. You can tweak it if you want before generating the video. Kling even adds background sound automatically. If you're not happy with the audio, just hit the AI sound button and it'll generate a new one for you. And that's it. You've just created your own high-quality ASMR video, all without Google Veo 3. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this method makes it way easier for you to start creating your own viral ASMR content. See you in the next one.